this down, boys and girls? Yeah? So this one, you're going to do a little bit of, it's like Fortnite dancing this one, so you're going to love this one because you're going to try and dance on one foot. So, yes, it's going to be hard. But we're going to give out some nice prizes for this one. Ready, steady, let's do it. Gonna hit the road, yeah. Gonna hit the road. Hey, kind of word. How'd you get used to this? You say, stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top. One hand, one leg. Go, go. I'll be running. Gonna hit the road, gonna hit the road. How do you get used to this? You say, you see what I mean? There's a one hand, one leg. Underneath the humps and I'm feeling like a someone. I feel running. Don't you say? There's two in the front, hey, two in the back, hey. You say, time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around, see what I mean. There's a one hand, one leg. Shotgun, son, someone. Go, go. You say, I'll be riding. Feeling like it. I'll be running. You enjoy that one? She's confident, that's okay.